You can turn this bundle of parts from Adafruit into a nostalgic handheld gaming device. Propit is our take on the iconic rapid-fire audio game from the 1990s. It features physical controls so you can push it, slide it, flip it, spin it, and shake it. The device calls out commands randomly, and you have to hit the right control as fast as you can before the timer runs out. With every correct turn, the game gets progressively faster, so it feels like a fast-paced test of your reflexes.
Shake it. Push it.
If you hit the wrong control, the game is over. After your total score is displayed on screen, you can either pass it to the next player or just play again. The game is powered by the Feather RP2040 Propmaker. It features an amplifier for high quality audio and an accelerometer for detecting shake it. The LED display is a 14-segment alphanumeric display, so it can scroll the game's commands and the player's score. It's connected to the Feather via stemma QT cable, so it's easy to connect. To detect when the wheel is spinning, a Hall effect sensor detects nearby magnets. Embedded inside the 3D printed wheel is a ball bearing that allows it to spin freely. All of the electronics are housed in our 3D printed enclosure that's inspired by those chunky plastic gadgets from the 1990s. The code is written in CircuitPython, which features built-in audio modules that make it easy to mix multiple audio channels and even change their speed and volume. A dictionary stores all of the inputs and tracks the states of them, as well as the labels for the display, sound effects, and function calls to read their values. All of the code and audio files are free to download from the project on GitHub. Our enclosure design features 3D printed parts in different colors inspired by the 90s. Most of the electronics are secured using machine screws with panel-mounted components. To learn how to build your own Propit gaming device, check out the guide at learn.adafruit.com. This project was a lot of work, but it was just as fun to build it as it is to play it. We hope this inspires you to check out electronics from Adafruit and reimagine those gadgets from your childhood.